Where are you dog behaviorists now who tell us that dogs attack out of fear, that they attack children because children do things that annoy them, and the dog gets fed up and just can't take it anymore and attacks the child? Where are you now? This was one of the most unprovoked attacks I've seen, and I know you've all seen it. I cannot show it. It is too graphic. I will leave a link in the description box. The truth is, dogs are bloodthirsty, especially the bully breeds, especially the large, vicious dogs. They attack for sport. Almost every night you hear about a farmer waking up and finding multiple animals dead. Overnight, the dogs will go through and kill sometimes dozens of livestock, and they won't eat any of them. They kill them for sport. They're the only so-called predators on this planet that does that. Other natural animals attack one target and feed on it. They attack your children for the same reason they attack livestock every night, for sport, because they're bloodthirsty, deranged, abnormal mutants that should not even exist. And world governments should have driven them into extinction a long time ago.